What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another hair tutorial. Today I will be showing you guys how I got these beautiful beach waves in one take with one wand. If you want to see how I completed this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Mwah.
So first, I'm going to take my heat protectant spray and just lightly spray that all over the wig to make sure everything is covered so I don't damage it when I straighten it or use the wand curler. The company I will be working with today is Allove Hair. This is their 24-inch body wave lace front wig in 150 density. Next, I'm going to take my Babyliss Pro straightener and just press out the hair lightly. I'm not trying to get it bone straight. I just wanted my ends to be straight because when I do my beach wave, I don't want my curl going all the way down to the tip, if that makes any sense. To achieve my beach waves, I'm going to take my Conair 1-inch barrel wand curler, and I'm just going to go in sections, not really having a defined part of how I'm going to curl it, and just start curling away from my face, and then I will do a few coming towards my face just to make some volume into the wig. I hope this is making sense, y'all. But as you guys can see at the tip of the wand curl, I'm leaving the ends straight. I'm not curling it all the way from the root to the tip. I kind of want my ends to be straight, just so it looks more boho-ish or, you know, beach wave-ish. I don't really know the word for it, but yeah. Just to make sure your waves stay in place, you want to go ahead and put your Got to Be Glued free spray just a little bit because this stuff is strong, y'all. And I just lightly brush it through the hair, doing little finger combs just to make it some volume, you know. All right, guys, so this is what one side looks like styled. and then I'm showing you guys the other side untouched. And you want to just continue this process on the other side. Go in with your straightener to press out your ends, use your heat protectant spray, and then go in with your wand curler. I did cut all that out just to save some time for the video. So as you guys see, I'm just going in and curling it. And remember to always leave your tips out, like I say an inch or half an inch. Leave that out if you want like a boho beach wave look and not necessarily tight wand curls. And again, you want to go in with your holding spray just to give your waves a little bit of volume and body. Once you're done with both sides and you're finger combing it out just to play with it, this is what it looks like. As you guys can see the straight ends, what I was talking about, how it just gives it that soft look. Y'all, this hair is so flowy, it's so thick, you don't see through it at all. Y'all, I love it so much.
This is the finished look and I love it. Y'all, I've been wanting to do this beach wave for so long and I didn't know how to do it right. And y'all, I finally broke down and went to YouTube and figured out. So like, yes, y'all, look at these straight ends so it still look cute and grown, you know. And I just did like a little beach wave. Y'all, this hair, this install, like everything just looks so good, y'all. First of all, get into the lace, as you see, y'all. And all I did use to achieve this style was my Conair wand curler. It's like a barrel wand curler, and it goes all the way up to the number 30. I don't know if you can see that. And then it has a power button and then a turbo heat up button. It does get hot very, very quickly. But yeah, that's all I use. And then I just use some Got To Be Glued hairspray. So yeah, into the packaging, this is what the hair came in. It comes in this Allove hair bag right here, and it's a little Ziploc bag that you can use to put your wig in after you get through. So yeah, comes with this, and it has all their barcodes on it, on their website, allovehair.com, allovehairfactory.aliexpress.com, DHgate, and then they're also available on Amazon as Allove Hair, amazon.com. This was the box. It came with nothing special. Has all their information on it, their advantages on the back, and then it has like a little Allove sticker. Inside comes with, of course, the bag that the wig comes in, and on the bag it doesn't say anything but just the inches, and it was 24 inches, as you guys can see. It also comes with the little net and the little black net and the white paper, and I just put that inside the bag. I did get some little gifts. I got like this little cute little bunny ear hair bow, these little I don't know, eyelashes, and you know, the little Aliexpress eyelashes. And then of course they gave me a net wig cap in the color black. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and loved the finished look. I love this hair so much, and again, y'all, this is Allove hair. This is their 24-inch body wave lace front wig. It is 130 density, but y'all, I love it so much. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Mwah.